Have you ever wondered why allergies, asthma, and autoimmune conditions are skyrocketing? Or why do some people experience immediate relief when they simply change their cleaning products? Today, we're connecting those dots. The most vulnerable among us suffer the most from these hidden toxins. Children, pets, pregnant women, the elderly, and anyone with a compromised immune system. But here's the good news. Making a few simple swaps can dramatically improve your indoor air quality and overall health. Sometimes, just removing certain products from your home can bring relief in as little as 3 to 7 days. In today's video, we are covering 15 sneaky toxic chemicals to avoid. Be sure to stay till the end as you won't want to put any of these chemicals on your body. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the 3 most important categories to eliminate from your cleaning cabinet immediately. 1. Pesticides. Many floor cleaners proudly advertise kills 99.9% of bacteria. But have you ever stopped to ask, is killing all bacteria actually good for us? Our bodies need exposure to a variety of microbes to develop strong immune systems. We don't need pesticides indoors, we just need clean surfaces. 2. Bleach. Highly irritating to lungs and skin, bleach is particularly dangerous for children and those with respiratory conditions. The harsh fumes can trigger asthma attacks and worsen breathing problems. 3. Artificial fragrances. This might be the most sneaky and harmful category of all. When you see fragrance listed on a label, it could contain up to 3,000 different chemicals, and companies aren't required to disclose what's in their proprietary scent blends. The laundry room danger zone. Did you know that when you wash clothes in detergents with fragrances and chemicals, those residues remain in the fabric? Then, all night long, your child breathes those chemicals directly into their lungs as they sleep. What if the solution to your child's respiratory issues isn't another medication, but simply switching to a non-toxic laundry detergent? Look for these red flags on your laundry products. Fragrance or natural scent, still problematic. Sulfates, often listed as SLS or SLES. Brighteners, anything antimicrobial, that's a pesticide. For fabric softening, try baking soda instead. They naturally soften clothes and cleanse well without any chemicals. The deadly quartz. Have you ever heard of quaternary ammonium compounds or quartz? This might be the most dangerous ingredients hiding in your cleaning products. Quartz are found in many antibacterial cleaners and disinfectants. They're marketed as keeping your family safe from germs, but the research shows a disturbing picture of what they're actually doing to our health, causing birth defects, triggering respiratory issues and asthma, creating reproductive toxicity, promoting inflammation, the root of most diseases, decreasing mitochondrial function, your cell's energy produces, disrupting cholesterol, which we actually need for hormone production, interfering with neural development, increasing drug-resistant bacteria, making antibiotics less effective. Isn't it ironic? The very products marketed as protecting our families could be causing far more harm than the germs they kill. Next time you see a cleaner bragging about killing salmonella, SARS, or flu, remember that plain soap and hot water remove germs just as effectively without the health risk. Hidden solvents and chemical warnings. When a product warns may irritate eyes or hazardous to humans and domestic animals, why would we want that in our homes at all? Watch out for these additional harmful ingredients. Propylene glycol and other glycols. Butane, highly flammable, keep away from heat. Terpenes, any product with excessive caution warnings. Have you noticed that cleaning product aisles are among the most pungent in the entire store? That's not natural, and it's a clear signal to our bodies. Think about it. Our ancestors cleaned their homes for thousands of years without these chemicals. Clean doesn't have a smell. Clean is simply the absence of dirt and harmful pathogens. What you can use safely. Good news. Cleaning effectively doesn't require harsh chemicals. Here are simple, affordable alternatives that actually work. Plain white vinegar for general cleaning, baking soda for scrubbing, Castile soap for all-purpose cleaning, pure essential oils for their natural aromas and antibacterial properties. One of the essential oils that I like to add to my laundry is lavender essential oil. For other uses and benefits of lavender essential oil, do check out my other video here in the link above and down below. For a ready-made solution, I personally use Thieves Laundry Wash and Thieves Household Cleaner for everything from laundry to dishes to floors. They are entirely plant-based and are safe enough to even ingest. The 7-Day Challenge. I know changing habits can be challenging, but your health and the health of your loved ones is worth it. Start small, maybe switch your laundry detergent first, then gradually replace other products as you use them up. Are there any of these toxic chemicals in your household products? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these sneaky toxic chemicals to avoid. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.